everyone, welcome back to Toy Time. Thank you to all you guys who subscribe to our channel. We get so happy when we get new subscribers. Let's play a game. There will be a moment when you will see this smiley face sticker on my hand. If you see this sticker during our video, hurry up and hit the subscribe button so you can be a subscriber and we will be your #1 fan too. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like our video and ask all your friends to subscribe. So let's start drawing and coloring. Today, we will draw a cheeseburger. Yum! Alright, so let's get paper and a marker and start drawing. So first, we're gonna draw the bun. Here it is. You're gonna draw a semicircle. Now we're going to draw the lettuce. Keep an eye out. Maybe you will see the smiley face sticker on my hand. And when you see that sticker, make sure you subscribe to our channel to let us know that you really like to watch our videos and draw with us. Time to draw the tomato. Soon you guys will color and you will see how awesome the drawing will come out. Now we're drawing the cheese for our cheeseburger. Are you guys drawing along? That's wonderful. We love that. Ask all your family to draw with us. Now it's time to draw the burger patty. Okay, and then it's also time to draw the bun. And we're finalizing drawing the cheeseburger. Now it's gonna be time to color. Get your coloring pencil, crayons, and let's start coloring this awesome drawing that you guys are creating. These are some of the colors that we will use to color. But first, let's draw the sesame seed on top of the bun. I'm just using a light brown marker and making tiny little dots everywhere. You see, there is no right and wrong. You can just draw your cheeseburger the way you want, and I'm sure you're doing a beautiful job. Okay, so we're gonna use a cream color pencil just to color the bun. Make sure you color inside the lines and go all around. Beautiful job, guys. You guys are doing great. I'm just going over with the same pencil to close any gap of the coloring that I left. And now I'm gonna color the bottom of the burger. Have you spotted the smiley face sticker yet? Keep an eye out. It's gonna pop up anytime it's gonna be sticking to my hand. Subscribe to our channel when you see it. Alright, so now it's time to color the lettuce. I'm using a darker green just to outline the edge of the lettuce, which is fine. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. And now I'm using a lighter shade of green to color the lettuce. The brightest green that you have in your coloring pencil box. You go all around. Color, 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 color. Here we go. You guys are doing great. Now I'm using a red pencil to color the tomato. I'm using the brightest red I have in my pencil box. But look, you guys can use whichever one you guys have. Colored pencil, crayons, even markers. Alright, so let's color the tomato. And now we're gonna use a yellow pencil to color the cheese. Awesome job, guys! You are doing great. Your drawing looks amazing. And now I'm using the brown pencil to color the burger patty. I'm gonna color all around it. Stay inside the lines. All inside the area that I drew the burger patty. And now that I'm all done using this color of the brown pencil, I'm gonna use a darker shade and just make little circles all over it to show the texture of the burger patty. It makes it look very artistic. Great job, everyone! If you saw the smiley face, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Toi Toi Time. Subscribe.